Good morning, Jonathan. Today we're going to be working on categories. This is actually your goal two. For this goal, we'll be using picture cards to identify pieces of clothing and transportation. Para este objetivo, utilizaremos tarjetas con imágenes para identificar piezas de ropa y transporte. Entonces, vamos a practicar. So these are pants, Jonathan. Pants. You wear them. A bus, a school bus takes you to school. A car, your mom drives a car. A jacket, you put on a jacket. Socks, you wear socks with shoes. And a shirt, you wear a shirt. So let's move on to your assignment. Point to all the clothing items. Jonathan, apunta a todas las cosas que sean ropa. Pants, socks, pizza, a shirt, an iPad, or an apple. Point to all the clothing items. Now number 2. Point to transportation items. Apunta a los artículos de transportación. Un carro. A bus. Tacos. A book. Or a truck. Which one? Point to the transportation items. Now number 3. Let's move on to number 3. Which one do you wear? ¿Cuál te pones para ir a la escuela? Jeans and socks? Or juice and pizza? Which one? Point or circle with your finger. Point to the one that takes you from one place to another. ¿Qué cosa de estas tres, Jonathan, te lleva de un lugar a otro? Let's see. Is it A, a car? B, a school? Or C, a jacket? Which one is it? Point. And this is it for your goal number 2.